may arestuhan ba kay Sen Bato by at least by tonight? And what happens to the 9 NBI personnel?
According to the NBI director, as soon as they heard na ang stand officially ng Senate, yung Senate Resolution 44 at yung manifestation ni Senator Marcoleta na dapat dumaan to sa korte, hindi na nila pinursu na arrestuhin siya ngayon. According to him, coordinated kay Senate President Tito Soto ang pagpasok nila.
Okay.
So ang balik namin sa kanya, coordinated man ang pagpasok nyo, hindi naman siguro tama o wala naman siguro nagbigay ng pahintulot makipaghabulan. So sinasabi niya that is incidents of the arrest, so we agreed to disagree at mag-fact finding.
Okay.
We explained to him that this is not a criminal or a administrative case that needs further study at meron pong due process. This is a contempt case. So we agreed na kaso sa magsiksikan sila dito o inhumane dito under his custody pero hindi niya ipauwiin.
Okay.
He will hold them in the NBI, he will ask them to explain, then write me officially tomorrow.